In this video, we will explain the physical properties of halogens, or group number 7 in the periodic table. The melting and boiling points increase as the molecules get larger, as getting to the bottom of the group. So this means that as we move down the group, down column number 7, the molecule gets larger and larger, and therefore the boiling point and the melting point will increase, because higher temperature will be needed for the element to boil or to melt because it's getting larger as we move down the group. For example, let's take iodine and fluorine and compare them. Iodine is below fluorine, so it's larger because as we go down the group, the molecule gets larger, and it also has a higher boiling and melting point than those of fluorine, because it will need higher temperature than fluorine to boil or melt, because it's larger. Fluorine and chlorine are both gases, and the difference between them is the color. So as you look at the table 12.1, you will notice that both of them are gases, but fluorine is yellow, while chlorine, Cl2, is green. So both are gases, but different colors. Bromine is liquid, and it turns to vapor very easily. It's not a gas like chlorine and fluorine, it's liquid, and it turns to vapor very easily. It's a dark red liquid. When it's vapor, its color becomes red to brown. Iodine is a solid. So if you look at the table, iodine, which exists as I2, is a solid, and it has a dark gray color. But when it becomes vapor, its color is purple, so it's a purple vapor. So you see the difference between the colors and the states of halogens. Astatine is radioactive, the last element of the halogens in group number 7. It's radioactive. This is iodine in the picture, and you see the purple vapor as we said earlier. Because halogens are non-metals, they are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Usually metals are good conductors, but because halogens are non-metals, then they are poor conductors of heat and electricity. When they are solid, their crystals will be brittle. So when they are solid, they have a shine. And in the picture, you see chlorine close to yellow or pale green, bromine is red-brown, while iodine is solid and its color is dark gray. It's very important to know these physical properties of the halogens.